When you talk to some of these people, you have, being a veteran and an old soldier, you have credibility. And they'll respect you, they'll listen to you. And then, you know, most of these soldiers that are in rehabilitation and healing, men, women, regardless of gender, the issues, you sort of have to peel back and peel back and peel back. And to get at some of those issues, you have to be trusted. So what's uniquely different here is this is a one-of-a-kind center. And the concept is right on. The location of the facility right next to the Warrior Transition Battalion, the integration of the volunteers, training us up on how to understand, you know, where they're coming from, and then taking some old veterans like I am that serve, that understand the military to some degree.
Our volunteers here are amazing. There is not a chance we could have done a tenth of what we've done if they hadn't been here. They open it in the morning at 6 o'clock and they close it at night at 10. And, you know, Saturdays and Sundays, they're always here. They help maintain the building, they work the programs, they sit down, they talk to our guests when they come. They treat them like they're walking into their own home. They now have taken over, you know, some of our programs. They come in. We have somebody probably cooking in here 3 times a week. Even if it's not one of our planned activities, somebody's coming in and, you know, throwing something together, going through the fridge, seeing what the leftovers are, cooking dinner, cooking lunch, making pancakes in the morning. Not because it was on the schedule, just because they wanted to.